In today's video, we are going to show you how to save your analysis on Deriv TradingView. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the left side panel and click the options. What will happen is this will give you different trading platforms, and all you have to do is choose the Deriv Trader, click the open button, and you will be forwarded to the Deriv Trader platform itself. Let's say you wanted to add multipliers, vanillas, higher and lower. You can also add chart types if you wanted. For example, 1 minute. I'm going to add a hello or a candle. You can do a lot of things here in your chart panel. You can also add indicators if you want, for example, momentum, or if you want to add a trend, volatility, moving averages, it's up to you. For example, we're going to add this. Once you're happy with the activities here in Deriv, any trend lines, indicators, or drawings you add are saved in real time. You see at the bottom right corner, there's a blue button that says online. So if you refresh the page or come back later, your analysis should still be there. Okay? It auto saves. And of course, if you want to have a backup copy, like switching devices to your maybe laptop or to your other computer, clearing your browser, or just keeping a record of your trade ideas, all you have to do is go to the tool window here, hover and scroll down until you find the option that says download. Okay? Since there's no save button, what you can do instead is download a copy of your chart. You can choose from a PNG or CSV. Choosing any of these will save your current chart, including all your analysis, as an image file on your device. Save it to your computer, and basically that's it for today's video on how to save your analysis on Deriv TradingView. No save button needed. It's all autosave, but downloading a snapshot is the best way to keep a backup. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.